Well, what's behind this door? It's an old musical score. Though it are not my affairs, well, let's go down these stairs. I hear a very weird song. Going in there might be wrong, and it is not what we think. It's blood not buried by ink. Advised by 035, can this really save my life? You should use it as a map, but that's certainly a trap. And if you do not resist, then you will cut your own wrist. You might finish it perhaps, go on until you collapse. It's a bad composition, demanding for completion. It will try to control you, as it did with other victims too. It's a bad composition, demanding for completion. It will try to control you, as it did